Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts. Try again later on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Tinder and you can click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.